Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle and Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a bridge using two-point perspective. First, draw a horizontal line towards the top of your page. Next, we can place a vanishing point on the right, and then we can place another vanishing point on the left for all of the receding lines in this two-point perspective drawing. Now, draw two lines from the right vanishing point to the left of your page. You could use a ruler for the straight lines or just draw them. You can think of these two lines. These two lines will be the road which goes over the bridge. So we're starting with the road going to the right vanishing point. Just two straight lines, and they'll be thicker on the left because they're nearer, and the lines will be thinner on the right because they're further away. Next, we can draw a third line from the right vanishing point going left, and this will be for the baseline of the bridge. Next, we can draw two vertical lines for the two sides of the bridge, and you can just choose where they go, and then draw a curve, an arch, between these two lines, but not touching the top of the road, so that the bridge has some thickness. So that's the basic shape of the bridge. We could add some more lines on the right of the bridge, two vertical lines I'm going to add. And then two vertical lines on the left of the bridge too. Next, we can use the left vanishing point and draw a line to the base of the right of the arch and then continue it forward all the way to the base of our drawing. And then we can repeat that again using the left vanishing point and the left-hand base of the arch this time, coming all the way towards us. So this could be a road going under the bridge, or maybe a canal going under the curved bridge that we have. Now we can draw an angle on the left of the bridge, and this will be an angle for the bank of the land either side of the bridge, and we can repeat that on the right. You can just choose whatever angle you wish. Then we can use the left vanishing point to find the baseline of the angle on the left. And then we can also use the left vanishing point to find the top line of the angle of the bank on the left. So then we can repeat this by using the left vanishing point again, because the lines are receding to the left and they're all parallel. Therefore, they're all going to go to the left vanishing point. And we draw a line for the top of the bank. And then we can draw another line from the left vanishing point for the base of the bank. And the bank is either side of the bridge, so we have two banks, one on each side of the bridge. Now, if we draw a line from the top vertical of the corner of the arch, and then a line down from where it hits the road, then at that point we can draw the curve of the inside of the bridge that we can see. For my drawing, there's just a little bit of the curve that we can see. It depends exactly where all the lines are, so your drawing might be a little bit different to this. So that is one way to draw a bridge using two-point perspective. For this drawing I use a 4B pencil. You might like to draw a curve for the reflection in the canal of the curve of the bridge. And then you might like to add some shading, some tonal values to your drawing. I hope you find this drawing tutorial useful for your own drawings. If so, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for your support. If you would like to learn more about drawing or about drawing buildings using perspective, please visit circleandartschool.com to find out about my online drawing courses for beginners. Thank you for watching this video. I post a new video every week. This is video number 505. If you have any suggestions about future videos, please add them to the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching and see you next time.